Today I'm going to show you how to install and use the Pasteurizer tub conversion kit. The kit comes with a drill bit for making a hole in any size container that you'd like, a threaded hole tap for threading the hole in the container that you make, a steam hose connector kit which is directly compatible with Wagner wallpaper steamers, and you can add a drain kit if you would like one. The first step is to drill each hole that you will need. For the regular kit, you will only need one hole to connect your steamer to the tub. For containers over 30 gallons, we offer our double conversion kit, which allows you to hook up two steamers to your container. This allows you to reach temperatures much quicker. You're going to drill your holes, thread the holes with your tap, then you're going to screw in the steam hose connector. Now if you have the drain kit, you're going to use the same tools to drill an extra hole, but near the very bottom of the tub so that the water can drain easily. Use a wrench to tighten your fittings and make it easier to put the hex nuts on the back. Screw on the drain for your drain conversion kit, and then we're going to put the fittings on the other side of this. Put the silicone O-ring first over the conversion kit on the inside of the tub, and then add the hex nut to the back. Tighten the hex nut until it's finger tight, and then you want to get a wrench and just very lightly twist on it to get it slightly tighter to compress the silicone O-ring. Now that your tub is complete, you can easily attach the hose from a Wagner wallpaper steamer. Here you can see that the tub is full of blocks of substrate, and they are elevated about 2 to 3 inches above the bottom of the tub. At this point they're ready to run, and I am going to add a thermometer probe into 2 of them to monitor the temperature. The Wagner wallpaper steamer is really easy to use. Just fill it with about 1 gallon of water, hook it up, allow it to reach temperature, and after it's reached temperature, about every 90 minutes you're going to need to refill it with water. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You can check me out on Instagram at Wumbo_Myco, and you can also find me on Patreon at www.patreon.com/Wumbo Myco.